back to another STEMpower at Home video. Today we'll be creating a rainbow in a glass using just Skittles and water. There's a lot of waiting time during this experiment, so make sure you set an hour or two aside to do it. Before we start, let's quickly review what density is. Density is defined as the concentration of a substance, or how compressed a substance is compared to its size. The formula is density equals mass divided by volume. When solutions of different densities mix, they separate into visible layers with the most dense substance sinking to the bottom. Today we'll be looking at solutions where a substance has been dissolved into a liquid. So the density of the solution would be the mass of the substance dissolved divided by the volume of the liquid it was dissolved in. Now that we have a bit of background, let's get started with the experiment. For this activity, you will need a clear glass, 5 small cups, Skittles, a small pipette or dropper, water, and access to a stove or microwave. First, open your bag of Skittles. Separate them into piles of 10 purple Skittles, 8 green, 6 yellow, 4 orange, and 2 red. Then place the Skittles into 5 cups. Measure out 10 tablespoons of water and heat it up on the stove or in the microwave for about 90 seconds. You don't want the water to start boiling. Please get adult supervision to do this part. Pour 2 tablespoons of the heated water into each cup. Now you need to wait for all the Skittles to completely dissolve, which took about an hour for me. Every 10-ish minutes, you can reheat the cups in the microwave for 15 seconds and stir. This helps speed up the process, but before you're ready to move on to the next step, make sure all the Skittles are completely dissolved and the solutions are at room temperature. I moved my solutions into clear glasses so you can see them better, but by now all of your Skittles should be dissolved and your solutions should be at room temperature. Next, pour your purple solution into your large clear glass. Then take your green solution and, using your dropper, very slowly add it to the purple solution. This process is extremely tricky. Some tips are to slowly add the solution around the edges of the surface or let the solution slowly slide down the glass. But whatever you do, do it slowly. Once you've successfully added all of the green solution, do the same with the yellow, orange, and red solution in that order. If you've done it correctly, you should now have a rainbow in your glass. Discuss. Why did the colored solutions separate into different layers? The colored solutions separated into different layers because they have different densities. Purple has the greatest density and red has the least. Discuss. Why does the purple solution have the greatest density? If you remember, we used 10 purple Skittles, 8 green, 6 yellow, 4 orange, and 2 red. Each Skittle is full of sugar, so when we dissolved them in water, the purple solution was getting 10 Skittles worth of sugar, the green solution was getting 8 Skittles worth of sugar, and so on. Remember, density is mass divided by volume. Since each cup had the same volume of liquid in it, which was the 2 tablespoons of water, the color with the most Skittles had the most sugar, and the color with the most sugar had the greatest density. That color was purple. I hope you enjoyed the experiment today. As long as you have Skittles handy, you can recreate this experiment whenever you want and impress your friends and family. Click here to watch more STEMpower videos and click here to subscribe. Bye everyone!